how to blur objects in CapCut. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to blur certain objects in CapCut, including faces or potentially moving objects. First, you will need to open up CapCut and create a project, and then import your video or media and add it to your timeline. And then you want to select your video in the timeline, hold Ctrl and press C, and then hold Ctrl and press V to paste it over the first video. And make sure they are aligned in the timeline. Now go to the effects category and then search for blur effect. And then you can pick from these effects the one I want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Hold down left mouse and drag it over the second video clip. Now with the click on the first video, and then you want to go to the top right side and click on mask, which is this one, category mask, and then click on add mask, and then basically adjust this square around the part of the video that you want to blur. You can also pick different shapes such as circle, film strip, split, or brush and pen if you actually using the pro version. So I'm going to use this square for the tutorial, and then I want to place it around the head or the face of the character. Now you will need to reverse the mask so that it blurs the face and reveals everything else around it. So scroll down and next to mask settings, you should find this button to reverse. Click on it and it should reverse the mask. And now you can see that the face is blurred while the video is playing. Now there is one problem with this. As you can see, the mask moves as the face or the character moves, and to make it the blur is stable or fixed, you want to scroll down and under track mask, you want to basically select both and then select track and just wait for it to finish processing with tracking the mask. Now once this reaches 100% and it's done, you can basically play your video again, and this should perfectly track your object and apply the blur to it. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.